The boxes have arrived. Hello everyone, KCR Jones here, and welcome to, I think this is going to be the second to last episode of building this modular railroad. Because as I'm recording this, it is Friday afternoon. We're going into tomorrow being Saturday, my big pack-up day, and Sunday being the day of the train show. So I will most likely do just a small little video tomorrow of me packing the layout up. But today I did most of my work on the layout in the shortest amount of time. What I did was I measured up the train lengths for the sidings. I have a very limited amount of space of track that I have, especially with 36 curves to keep in mind. So I can only have certain lengths of train with that insulated siding. And that's what I've been doing recently is I've been forming trains by sizing up the cars and seeing what I can fit per train. I've also just done a few things here and there, like figures, and actually printed out some new decals for some assorted engines and rolling stock, as you will see. But I think one of the most important things is I've done most of the drilling for the wiring, and I'm also gluing down the roads, which that just makes a huge difference when you look at like a previous video or something with just the full green top versus lighted buildings and a road going down the middle. I've also been working on a couple things on the workbench, like the water tower and the signal, for example, just minor tweaks to make sure that they're working okay and will work continuously for hours on end. But without much else to say, that's really it. That's all the work I've been doing. It's so crazy. I've been pricing up the trains to sell. I've been measuring up the trains to run. I've been cleaning everything, including the track and wheels and pickup rollers and everything you can think of, including, the tables as well to make sure that they're nice and clean. The chalk marks you see, by the way, are for reference. I'm going to wash those off before the actual show happens. And especially just looking at the houses with the lights, it just looks so nice. And unfortunately, what you're seeing right now, these are the only buildings I have that have the light bulb style wires. Everything else that has lights is pretty much the Menards plug-and-play system, which isn't bad, but there's just something about the old houses with the incandescent bulbs. Even MTH went out with that. So hopefully I can pick up a couple more of those because they do look really nice. But yeah, I'll just play the rest of the two little videos that I filmed, and I hope you liked the slideshow today, guys. I know it's not too much, but like I said, it's just been busy. This is KCR Jones saying, take care and stay safe until next time, and really until next time is just going to be you looking at me packing up the layout. I'm pretty much getting everything ready tonight to get loaded up tomorrow, and then Sunday I'm just going to, run the trains and have a bunch of fun and maybe put up a video Monday just showing, what actually ran and who I saw. But yeah, guys, you all take care and stay safe. Till next time, Casey out. Alright, ignore the absolute jumble of wires, especially this up here. It's just because I don't have a good brace to actually hold this up. But we have this transformer here powering the billboard lights and the signal going through the IDAT. So as an example, when the train comes through, it goes to red. And if you notice very closely, you can see the billboard dimming a little bit when the signal moves up because it's running off the same circuit. But I'm going to consider this a success.